My name is Jon Neidig. I'm a senior project engineer, and I've been here for 6.5 years. Since I started here, I've been a project engineer the entire time, so that means taking a project from getting a purchase order, getting a layout approved, designing all of my own equipment that's not batch related, making sure our teams are on time, making sure the specs are all met by the customer, hosting a factory acceptance test, and then providing service support on the back end to help our service department out. Yeah, a day for me can look very different. Some days I'm at my desk the whole time, some days I'm on the floor the whole time. Generally, there's some design work involved, obviously emails and phone calls I've got to attend to, but yeah, just interacting with our teams around here, answering questions from build teams or electrical controls, coordinating everything, make sure we're all on the same page. I think my favorite thing about working here, especially my position, is getting to meet different people from different companies that we work with. I think it's fun to meet them, interact with them, get to see what's on their side of the fence, what problems they're seeing, and even just meet people from different areas of the country, host them for factory acceptance tests. I think that's really fun. I'm an introvert by nature, but that is something I really enjoy, actually. Yeah, I love working in the food and beverage industry because it's recession proof. Everyone's going to buy food and drinks regardless of how the economy is doing, and so especially we do direct to consumer and companies who sell to restaurants and stuff. So it's fun to see what's on the shelf that we buy every day and actually get to pack it, or when we travel places and you see that cup of dipping sauce. So it's pretty fun. One thing I didn't think I would do coming out of college in my first job is I thought I was going to have to do one thing and I was going to kind of stay in my lane, be at the bottom of the totem pole, not really get a lot of experience doing a lot of different things. I was kind of prepared for that. So I think just the sheer amount of different things I get exposed to and things I get to have a hand in is something I wasn't prepared for, but I really like.